Good day, I'm Lorraine Mendez and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, October 10. National Security Minister Robert Montego is lauding the security forces for their work to secure the island following Monday's gun and ammunition find at the wharf.
The find of 4 automatic weapons and 2 assault rifles and over 150 rounds of ammunition on the wharf is indeed commendable, and it is the dividends that this government is reaping from the investment into the intelligence network.
The seizure follows a snap operation organized by the contraband enforcement team at a warehouse on the wharf. The guns and ammunition were found among a shipment of food items from the United States. Minister Montego was addressing Tuesday's opening of the inaugural Jamaica GIS User Conference at the Jamaica Pegasus. He said the police force had been increasing its utilization of geographic information systems in its operations. Among other things, a 22-member team from the Jamaica Constabulary and Defense Forces have written and introduced 2 applications, the Zoso Reporting App and the JCF Docs.
The Zoso Reporting App helps the officers in the special zones to make their reports, and these reports are geotagged based on a GIS map. And the other app that we have put into force is the JCF Docs, which is an app that treats with all the documents that a police officer will need in the field. So the Book of Rules, the laws of Jamaica, the use of force guidelines, the INDICOM guidelines, all of it is on the officer's smartphone.
$160 million in outstanding traffic ticket fines has so far been collected by the government under its traffic ticket amnesty. The 3-month amnesty started on August 2 and will end on October 31. It covers tickets issued between September 1, 2010 and July 31, 2017 and allow persons to make payment without penalties or additional fees.
I want to use this opportunity to urge all members of the public who believe they may have an outstanding ticket to make that call before the new Road Traffic Act comes in with harsher penalties.
Traffic tickets may be paid online at jamaicatax.gov.jm or at any tax office island-wide. Persons may also call the traffic ticket amnesty hotline numbers 948-0406 or 948-0411 for more information. Residents of St. Anne's Bay and surrounding communities now have access to improved health care following the opening of a new operating theatre at the hospital. The operating theatre was renovated by the National Health Fund at a cost of $170 million. In addition, American Friends of Jamaica donated $17 million towards the renovation of the hospital's male surgical ward. And partners Caenwood Group and Guardian Group Foundation donated a $9.5 million ambulance.
The role of philanthropy in our economy cannot be underestimated. There is no question that our fiscal situation is such that what we would like to do as a government for our people, we are not able to do it. But we can find a way if we partner.
20 schools have now implemented the human papillomavirus HPV vaccine program to their grade 7 students. On Friday, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton visited the Ocho High School to carry out an on-the-ground examination of the process. 142 students were given the vaccine in that exercise, which the minister said went smoothly.
The take-up rate is between 70 and 80%. For those who have opted out, in some instances, it may be a lack of clarification around the vaccine, and so another phase will involve following up with those persons to ensure that they fully understand and that they have taken a decision based on information. So I expect that those numbers will go up.
Ocho High School's acting principal, Leo Da Costa, said parents were being supportive of the program.
We have not heard or seen any indication which would even suggest that the parents are not wanting for this to happen.
And finally, the 2017 Youth Climate Change Conference convened at the Jamaica Conference Center today. During the 2-day conference, approximately 600 youth from 8 Caribbean countries and Japan will seek to identify youth-led actions and solutions to the challenges associated with climate change. Speaking at a prior function, Director of Communications and Marketing at the National Youth Service, Julius Smiley Green, said the objective of the conference was to highlight the importance of youth involvement in and understanding of global climate change issues and their impact on the region.
Young people are quite adept at spreading new habits and technology at their disposal, are well placed to contribute to the fight against climate change.
And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Lorraine Mendez. Thanks for watching.